Today I'm going to show you a spring boho chic look, and I'm going to be using quick length pieces, and you can add burgundy for a pop of colour. So to start with, I've pre-curled Abby's hair and I've sectioned ear to ear as quick lengths are 12 inches wide. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tease at the roots, just so this will make the extensions easier to grip in and feel more secure. So I'm going to take a quick length piece which is the same colour as the ends of Abby's hair, and I'm just going to start by placing it up and then clipping it in. And I'm going to get a burgundy quick length piece, and I'm actually going to clip that on the same section, just on top of the other quick length. I'll just open up all the clips and just clip it in on top of it. So then the next thing I'm going to do is take a third quick length piece, the exact same colour again as Abby's bottom of the hair, and then I'm just going to clip it on top of the other clips in the root area. So square up where you want them to go, and then place the clips in. And then we're just going to let Abby's hair down. So you can just see that burgundy colour coming through. So then to start the waterfall plait, I'm going to take a small section from the front and just start as if we're going to just do a normal plait. So you're going to start by putting to the sides into the middle, and then when you back onto your first side, you're just going to pick up from the scalp a section and add it to normal plait. And then when you back onto this side, you're going to drop a piece and take a section behind it. I need you to spin. And just carry on your waterfall braid. And when you back onto this side again, you drop the piece, you pick a piece up behind the piece you've dropped, and then from there you take a section from the party, back onto here, drop a piece, take another piece behind it, and back on this side, take a piece and add it to your plait. And we're going to drop our final piece. So once we've done both waterfall plaits, we're just going to get the end of the plaits and just put them together, and then just grip them into place. And so you hide the grip, so the grip's hidden. Then we're just going to get some of the purple from underneath, and then just do some really fine plaits, just one underneath. And then we're just going to get an elastic band and secure that into place. And we're just going to do the exact same on the other side. And then just secure that into place with elastic. And then this is our finished look.